Okay, is he going to stalk his father again? Could be. Or is he going to go try to roughhouse with his mother? Rose and Davina play together very well. I don't think Killian's too happy about having another man in the house, though. So many things to smell, hey, pup? Mm-hmm. Inside, when Davina gets too rough, he just goes and hides in his little kennel. It's very sweet. Okay, Ambrose, we're going to cut here and give you one more chance to get to know your father, if you don't waddle over there on your own here presently.